premium finishes with a modern minimalist design. The I-Pace continues to impress with its blend of power, performance and luxury, making it a top choice for electric SUV enthusiasts. Longer range. Electric cars in 2025 are achieving ranges over 350 miles on a single charge, reducing range anxiety. Faster charging. New charging technology allows for 80% charge in under 30 minutes. Autonomous driving. Many cars will feature Level 3 autonomous driving, making driving safer and more convenient. Luxury interiors. Many EVs now feature high-end interiors with premium materials and state-of-the-art infotainment systems. Eco-friendly materials. Increasing use of recyclable materials and sustainable practices in manufacturing. 2025 electric vehicles are more sustainable, faster, and equipped with more advanced technology than ever before. Battery advancements. With improvements in solid-state batteries, expect electric cars to have faster charging, longer ranges, and longer battery life. Fully autonomous cars. By 2025, we'll see even more cars equipped with Level 3 or Level 4 autonomous driving capabilities, which means less need for driver input. Global charging infrastructure. More fast charging stations are being built worldwide, making long-distance travel in electric vehicles more practical. Sustainability focus. Automakers are increasingly focusing on sustainable practices, including the use of eco-friendly materials and green manufacturing processes. The future of electric cars is promising, with technology continuing to evolve toward faster, more efficient, and greener transportation. As we look toward 2025, electric vehicles are poised to dominate the automotive industry. With groundbreaking features, powerful performance, and eco-friendly designs, the electric cars of tomorrow are here today. Whether you're looking for luxury, performance, or practicality, there's an electric vehicle for you. Let us know in the comments which electric car you're most excited to see on the road, and be sure to like and subscribe for more updates on the electric revolution. Thor will cert lockerby fe we wubulam ulfin wukum se wishrin stabech will cert lockerby kthurturan wukfa wishwulfi losoli. Melotsint lumst murphy canolgi lobitrit wuzida amders lakida wuzert lushin wudgerby lokida lushmal spit lo cert lockerby la wush consider lo swogel cert loklidi. Fiat alfidu sinster defdel lo cert lockerby lam ulfin wukum se wishrin mit slet lo dual mis larasiv wum yijel mis fi lokida lumstum. Be mentisel model 3 lam ulfin wum se wishrin. Dom nantisel model 3 minif